Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. In the light and everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss.
I, Mashudu, do declare that I will take you, Pfariso, as my wife, and do promise that I will, with the gracious help of God, love you, honor and care for you, live with you in the holy bond of marriage according to God's ordinance, and never forsake you, so long as we both shall live.
I, Pfariso, do declare that I take you, Mashudu, as my husband. And I do promise that I will, with the gracious help of God, love, honor, and care for you, live with you in the holy bonds of marriage according to God's ordinance, and never forsake you, so long as we both shall live. So help me God.